How to install Google Keep on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get Google Keep up and running on your PC in just a few steps. First, open your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to keep.google.com in the address bar. Let me show you. From there, sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. At this point, once you're on the Google Keep page, look for the install icon in the address bar at the top right. It looks like a small monitor with a down arrow. In the next step, click on it to prompt the install option. From there, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to install Google Keep. Click on Install to confirm. At this stage, Google Keep will now be installed as a progressive web app on your Windows PC. Following this, once installed, it will open automatically as a standalone app separate from your browser. Once done, you'll also find a Google Keep shortcut on your desktop and in your Start menu for easy access anytime. From there, click on the shortcut to open Google Keep and start creating notes, lists, and reminders directly from your PC. At this stage, all your notes will automatically sync across all your devices signed into the same Google account. So anything you add on PC will also appear on your phone and other devices. And that's it. If this guide helped you install Google Keep on Windows, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.